Hi, my name is Sam and today I will be showing you around this gorgeous Jaguar F-Pace. It's the 3-litre V6 Diesel S finished in Glacier White metallic paint and is now available at Jaguar Crewe, having covered just under 22,000 miles. As you can see, this is a stunning looking vehicle. Starting with the front, and you're presented with a menacing gloss black radiator grille with matching gloss black surround and relevant S branding. The lower black side intakes follow, again with gloss black accents, and the lower gloss black front bumper. This vehicle features the LED headlights with signature daytime running lights. These do not only look the part but also help in a wide array of driving conditions. This Jaguar F-Pace wears the incredible 22-inch 5 split-spoke design alloy wheels finished in satin black with the gloss black inserts and contrasting red brake calipers. Lower gloss black door trim follows, tying in nicely with the gloss black side vents with the Jaguar script. The body-coloured power-fold electric door mirrors follow, and this vehicle also features keyless entry as shown here with the logo on the door handle, which is really useful and saves you rummaging for your keys when you're in a rush. The gloss black window surround follows, tying in nicely with the rear privacy glass, which is ideal for backseat passengers. This Jaguar F-Pace also features gloss black roof rails and a sliding panoramic roof, which truly enhances the cabin experience. Yet another look now at those fantastic 22-inch alloy wheels, all of which are in really good condition. Stepping away from the vehicle now, and you can really begin to appreciate just how magnificent this Jaguar F-Pace looks, especially in the Glacier White colourway. Certainly a vehicle which will turn heads. Progressing towards the rear, and you're presented with a fantastic rear design, along with a sporty body-coloured integrated roof spoiler and continued rear privacy glass, along with relevant Jaguar model badging finished in chrome, and of course the superb rear tail lamps, which as you can see look absolutely stunning and help to give the F-Pace its character. The lower gloss black rear bumper follows, along with dual exhausts. This Jaguar F-Pace features a convenient electric tailgate, which means one simple button press will automatically open the boot like so, revealing that huge 650-litre boot space, which could comfortably accommodate 2 large suitcases or cater for a range of additional activities. In order to close, simply press the button located here and the boot will close automatically, a really nice and convenient feature. Jumping inside now, and you're presented with a gorgeous ebony and pimento leather interior, where S-branded metal tread plates greet you upon arrival, along with the S-branded multifunctional leather steering wheel featuring satin chrome gear shift paddles. The semi-digital instrument cluster follows, along with a neatly designed center console with a built-in 8-inch touchscreen display, 2-zone climate control and sleek gear selector. A Meridian sound system is also featured throughout, which sounds amazing. And the interior also benefits from ebony and pimento heated front sport seats featuring S embossing on the headrests and 14-way electrical adjustments. Upon starting this lovely Jaguar F-Pace, you are presented with a clean and responsive semi-digital instrument cluster, which can also be controlled by the multifunctional steering wheel as demonstrated here, allowing you to choose from a wide range of options, tailoring your driving experience further. The central 8-inch touchscreen display follows, which houses a range of functions, as shown here. Selecting media allows you to choose from a wide array of your favourite radio stations, meaning that you will never miss a beat. There is also climate control options, as demonstrated here, allowing you to tailor the cabin experience further, along with additional heated seat functions, allowing for both you and your passenger to find the perfect temperature on those cold winter days. A telephone function is also available, allowing you to connect your device via Bluetooth, which is ideal for conducting hands-free calls on the go and most importantly conducting them safely. Navigation is also equipped, allowing you to input all relevant travel data quickly and easily, meaning that you will get to your next destination in no time at all and feeling refreshed at the end. And lastly, the rear reversing camera can also be accessed, as demonstrated here, and when selecting reverse, yellow guidelines will appear, assisting you in and out of those tight spaces. Lower down houses the fantastic 2-zone climate control, which allows for both you and your passenger to find the perfect temperature, no more disagreements over who's hotter or colder. The sleek gear selector follows, along with the additional driving modes, and 2 cup holders with additional armrest storage with a 12V power supply. Another really nice feature which this Jaguar F-Pace is equipped with is a sliding panoramic roof. One simple button press will automatically retract the headlining like so, which truly enhances the cabin experience for both you and your passengers. Another simple button press will automatically open the sliding glass roof, allowing you to feel the summer breeze. The rear interior is just as nice as the front, featuring matching rear ebony and pimento leather seats, which have integrated ISOFIX points as demonstrated here, and the rear passengers can also benefit from the Meridian door speakers, rear luggage netting and dual air vents with a 12V power supply. There is also a rear retractable armrest which houses space for 2 cups, ideal for those long journeys. If this exceptional Jaguar F-Pace is something that you are interested in or would like further information about, then please do not hesitate to get in touch with a member of our sales team at Jaguar Crewe on 01270 445 200 and they will be more than happy to help. Thank you.